Hello students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of limits. Look at this question. First question. Limit x tending to 0, x square minus tan 2x upon tan x. So for this, limit x tending to 0, take x common here as we did before, tan 2x upon x, right? So here nothing is there, so we write as it is, tan x, right? This, so apply the limit here, limit x tending to 0, x by tan x, right? This is one limit. And here also we will take limit x tending to 0, x minus limit 2x tending to 0, tan 2x by 2x into 2. Hope that step is clear. I am taking limit inside, limit x tends to 0, x minus limit x tends to 0, tan 2x by x. So here we have one formula, standard limit we have, limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta, or limit theta tends to 0, theta by tan theta is equal to 1. So for doing that problem, we can make 1. This x tends to 0, that value 0, minus this becomes 1 into 2, that equal to minus 2. Therefore, limit x tending to 0, x square minus tan 2x upon tan x equal to minus 2. That is the end of solution. Clear? Look at the second question. Second question says, limit x tending to 0, 5x cos x minus 3 sin x upon 2x square plus tan 2x. So this can be written as limit x tending to 0, take x common, then 5 cos x minus 3 sin x by x. Same model. Here also take x common, so 2x plus tan 2x by x, right? Here x gets cancelled, so what is remaining? Limit x tending to 0, 5 cos x minus limit x tending to 0, 3 times sin x by x. Apply the limit for everything, right? So this is equal to, just put in front of by, limit x tending to 0, 2x plus limit x tending to 0, tan 2x by x. Now can we change them into that form? Limit 5 can be kept outside, cos 0 value 1 minus 3 can be kept aside. This limit, here we can write that limit value 1, already it is in the standard form, upon 2 into x, 2 zeros are 0, plus this, here what we are going to do, multiply and divide with 2, change the limit, x tends to 0. So that will be 2 into 1, this becomes 1. So 5 minus 3, 2 by 2, that will be 1. Therefore, what is the final answer here? Limit x tending to 0, 5x cos x minus 3 sin x upon 2x square plus tan 2x equal to 1. That is the end of solution. Thank you.